Video 3.2, 10 steps to an effective marketing mix. So we're going to go through how to build your perfect marketing mix and your successful product or service offering. Number 1, your goals and objectives. To create the right marketing mix, you must clearly define what you want the end result to be. More customers, better brand awareness, or higher sales are some examples. Every marketing plan has its own marketing goals, and to ensure that you have set a specific time frame in which to achieve those goals. So your marketing plan should have SMART goals written into it. Not just your overall business plan and your personal goals, but every goal that is set should be a SMART goal that we discussed earlier in this class. Step number 2, establish your budget. How much are you willing to spend on product innovation, consumer research, and product promotion? Step number 3, determine your unique selling proposition. What are the benefits that users will experience from using your product or service, and what unique problem are you solving better than anyone else? For example, Tom's Shoes gives a new pair of shoes to a child in need for every pair of shoes that you purchase. That's something unique that they do compared to other shoe companies. Step number 4, who is your target market? In order to communicate effectively with your audience, you need to know who your target market is and how they prefer to be communicated with. We've done a lot of work in establishing our targets. Create an in-depth profile of your ideal customer and make sure you've gathered enough consumer data to develop a complete picture of your ideal buyer. We've already done that part. Step 5, ask your customers advice. We did this earlier in this class as well. What do your customers think about your product? How satisfied are they with the quality, and are the benefits apparent? How is your product effectively or not effectively meeting their needs? Number 6, define your product in detail. Take your time to describe the specific qualities and value of your product. Look for the unique features that show your product's worth. Number 7, know your distribution channels. Identify the places that your product will be marketed and which distribution channels you'll make use of. You could be selling to wholesalers who will sell to retailers who will then sell to the consumer. You could sell directly to the retailers, and you could also sell directly to your consumers. Step number 8, create a pricing strategy. You'll need to discover clever ways of differentiating your product on price. Research your competitors and make sure you're not overcharging your customers. You will also need to consider what your target audience might be willing to pay and what it actually costs to produce your product. Step number 9, choose your promotional techniques. Your target audience needs to be made aware of your product offering. Successful promotion of your product includes various elements like direct marketing, which is where you directly connect with the individuals and create long-lasting relationships. This could be through catalogs, telephone marketing, and mobile marketing. Public relations, which could be press releases, exhibitions, sponsorship deals, and conferences. Advertising, television and radio, print ads, personal selling, personal presentation by your sales force, demonstrating how your product works is key, used for selling expensive, specialized, and technology advanced products. Sales promotion, short-term incentives to encourage a purchase. This includes discount, promotions, and payment terms. And word of mouth, creating positive word of mouth via your sales staff. Step 10, use inbound marketing. The 4 P's of marketing creates the basis of your marketing strategy. Inbound marketing could include your website, SEO, email marketing, social media, and blogging. A well-developed marketing mix will help you develop products and services that better serve the wants and needs of your target market. Done right, your marketing mix will help your customers understand why your product or service is better than those of your competitors. And the 4 P's should remain core to your marketing mix. Inbound marketing should be a big part of your overall marketing.